Hello everyone, today I'm sharing with you how I made this creamy lemon dessert under 5 minutes. Yes, under 5 minutes. Very quick, so simple, very easy, and I hope you're going to give it a try. It's delicious and refreshing as well. Let's get started. So I'm using 3 pieces of lemons. I went ahead and cut them into 2 equal parts, and then I used this plastic lemon squeezer to squeeze out the juice. So go ahead and squeeze out all the juice from the lemons and then sieve it. You want it smooth, so please make sure you sieve it. That's what you're looking for. Go ahead and sieve it, transfer it into your saucepan, add in sugar, cornstarch, mix until well combined. I'll leave the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So mix until everything has come together and then transfer it on the fire. Keep stirring, don't leave it there, just keep stirring. If not, it will form lumps. So keep stirring until it's creamy, until it thickens up like this. This is what you're looking for. When you get to this point, off the fire, transfer it into a different bowl. Please make sure you cover the surface with a cling film and then put it in the fridge for at least 3 to 5 minutes or until it has cooled down. Whilst it's cooling down, you can go ahead and whip your cream. So in the mixing bowl, I added in my whipped cream and then I whip until it's almost firm. Once it is almost firm, I added in the lemon cream. So please make sure you whisk it to be creamy before adding it to your whipped cream. So as you can tell, this is simple, it is easy recipe, and in no time you are done. So if you want something quick for your guests, that's the best idea, and it's also help for digestion as well. You'll love it. I added a pinch of green food color, which is totally optional. If you want, you can add it to it. If not, leave it like that and it's going to be nice anyway. So that's what you're looking for. It should be something like this, and wow, it was delicious. It was refreshing. Please try it and let me know the outcome in the comment section. When done, all you have to do is to transfer it into a piping bag and you're good. It is ready to serve. You're good to go. Just go ahead and squeeze it out. And that's it, guys. As you can tell, it is very easy. Please try it and let me know. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, look at this. Look at this. You can keep it in the fridge for about some few minutes and you're good to go. This was very creamy, so delicious, ginamicious, yumicious, and I hope you try it. See you till then. Bye bye.